Molten paraffin wax begins its journey, flowing smoothly through transparent pipes, a river of golden warmth. The process commences with the arrival of raw wax pellets, carefully delivered to the factory's receiving bays. These pellets are then transported by conveyor, steadily feeding into massive melting hoppers. Inside colossal vats, solid wax gently transforms into a shimmering golden liquid, heated to precise temperatures. Beneath the vats, heating elements work tirelessly, ensuring the wax maintains its optimal liquid state. Vibrant dye pellets are carefully introduced, adding a spectrum of colors to the clear, liquid wax. Precise injections of fragrance oil infuse the molten wax with captivating and delightful scents. Mechanical stirrers slowly blend the mixture, ensuring an even distribution of color and fragrance throughout. Continuous spools of cotton wick unwind, preparing for their crucial role in each candle. Automated machines then precisely cut these wicks into predetermined, uniform lengths. Small metal tabs are meticulously crimped onto one end of each wick, ready for secure placement. Clean, empty glass jars move methodically along the conveyor belt, awaiting their transformation. A robotic arm accurately centers a tabbed wick within each waiting jar, ensuring perfect alignment. Automated nozzles then dispense streams of warm, colored wax, filling the jars with precision. Some specialized candles receive their wax from skilled operators, employing a touch of human craftsmanship. The freshly poured candles then enter a long cooling tunnel, where solidification begins. Inside, the liquid wax gradually hardens, slowly transitioning from a translucent liquid to an opaque solid. An extreme close-up reveals the delicate crystalline structure forming as the wax surface cools and contracts. A final top-up pour is applied to create a perfectly smooth and flawless candle surface. For pillar candles, strong metal molds are meticulously prepared with wicks precisely threaded. Molten wax is poured into these vertical molds, carefully filling each chamber. The metal molds efficiently conduct heat away, allowing the hot wax to cool and solidify. Hydraulic presses gently release the solidified pillar candles from their molds, revealing their perfect forms. Excess wick is carefully trimmed by hand, ensuring each candle has an ideal burning length. For jar candles, automated blades precisely cut the wicks, ensuring consistency and efficiency. The surfaces of pillar candles are gently buffed, removing minor imperfections and enhancing their finish. Automated machines swiftly apply custom labels, precisely adorning each jar candle. For specialty candles, skilled hands carefully smooth on labels, ensuring a pristine appearance. Every finished candle undergoes rigorous visual inspection to guarantee the highest quality standards. Each candle's weight is precisely measured, verifying consistency and adherence to specifications. Automated arms then gently place the finished candles into their individual protective boxes. The boxes are then securely sealed with adhesive tape, ready for safe transport.
Make sure the tissue
Workers
is tucked in
meticulously
neatly
assemble
before you
multiple
close
boxed
the lid.
candles
Got it.
into elegant gift
They look
sets,
great.
adding a touch of luxury. Robotic arms efficiently stack the sealed boxes onto pallets, optimizing storage and shipping. A specialized machine wraps each pallet in protective stretch film, securing the candles for transit. Vast warehouses store countless pallets of finished candles, organized and awaiting distribution. Forklifts skillfully transport the completed pallets, moving them towards loading docks for shipment. In the factory showroom, a diverse range of finished candles proudly displays the artistry and craft. A single wick ignites, blossoming into a steady, warm flame, embodying the essence of the candle's purpose. From raw wax to radiant flame, the modern factory brings light and fragrance to homes worldwide.